A very handy trick to have in your bag. Whether you want to do it on or off a box, a wedge, a kicker, these are so useful, especially to save yourself if you come off of a feature early. Approach the box with a nice steady cut. Ollie on and ride along in 50-50. When you're ready, move the handle from your leading hip to your other hip. You'll need to transfer your weight from your back leg to your front leg as the board moves around. Remember not to pull on the handle, keep it solid. Ride off the box and switch, bend your knees on landing. The main thing is to not rush this one. Keep it slow and controlled and bend your knees.